Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to increase product quantity on eBay. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to increase product quantity on eBay. Maybe because you want to purchase product in bulk quantity, or maybe you want to purchase more than one, so you want to increase the quantity of the product while you purchasing the products on eBay and you don't know how to do it, or it could be any other reason for you to increase the product quantity on eBay. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the eBay app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the eBay app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of products and category on the home screen. Other than that, we have some options at the bottom of the page and at the top of the page. So if you want to increase the quantity of the product, first you have to get to that product and then you can increase its quantity. Some of the products have the option through which you can increase the quantity, and some of them don't have any option. The products that are mostly used in bulk amount, like nuts or maybe things that are used in more quantity, those products have the option for increasing quantity. But products like iPhones or massive products that are only used or produced or purchased once get the option for one quantity. So here we have this product is mainly used many times, like people use it in bulks or maybe people purchase it in bulks. So if you have read the description and details, price and all about the products, you have gone through the images and you like the product and now you want to buy it. So here you can see we have this option which says quantity. Right now only one quantity is selected, but if you want more quantity, maybe if you want in bulks, a dozen quantity, or maybe more than one like 5, 10, so you can increasing by just tapping on plus icon. But if you want to decrease it, you can also do that by just tapping on minus icon. Once you do that, the quantity gets increased and now you can purchase it in bulk quantity. And if you again want to increase it, you can again tap on quantity, you can increase it, or maybe if you want to reduce the quantity, you can do that. And once you have selected the quantity, now you can purchase it. And if you don't want to purchase it, you can leave it. You can check like how much it will cost if you select this much quantity. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can increase the quantity of products on eBay. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.